Hey everyone, I'm going to show you real quick how to set up your PS Click Power for your8steps.com and how to help you to build your list 4 times as fast and get some awesome traffic and make some commissions at the same time. If you haven't joined PS Click Power yet, don't mess around. Join it. Make sure you upgrade. They're one-time payments. The first 2 offers you're presented with. Once you log in, it's $17.23. That entitles you to 100% commissions paid instantly to you. This thing has been converting off of the charts. I've received payments almost every single day I've promoted this thing, and multiple payments. This is nothing to fool around with, and just the power of being able to opt in somebody and you be able to 4x build your list based off of how this thing works. I'm going to show you how to get this thing set up real quick. One thing that you want to do is go to this PS Click stream here. Once you're inside your members area in PS Click Power, click on that. When you're here, what I want you to do is in these 6 boxes right here, I want you to add in 6 of your squeeze pages. And only put your squeeze pages. Everything that you do online is about building your email list. If you don't learn email marketing and building your email list, like if you're not following along in your 8 steps and you're not setting up your campaigns, you haven't joined GVO and Pure Leverage and followed the steps, this is how you make money online. So when you're advertising, make sure that you advertise your squeeze pages. Your squeeze pages are what's tied in and build your list in your autoresponder in GVO/Pure Leverage. Then you advertise to your list your affiliate links. You don't send your traffic to your affiliate links. You send your traffic to your squeeze pages, because your squeeze pages build your email list and build your referrals, because a landing page is always something in the setup that is your main affiliate link. So once somebody opts into one of your squeeze pages, they get taken to your main affiliate link for the program. That's how we teach you to set up things. Please follow our advice. We make money every day, and that's how we do it. We do exactly as we teach you. So in PS Click Power, click on the PS Click stream and then put in 6 of your squeeze pages. If you don't have any squeeze pages yet in your 8 steps because you haven't finished the setup, you haven't followed along, make sure you do, and do that first so you can put your squeeze pages in here. This is going to get traffic. I haven't advertised what's called your personal PS link right here yet at all. And I've already gotten 12 hits to 1, 11, 7, 6, 17, 17. And I just set these up like yesterday or the day before. It's just automated traffic that comes here because everybody participates in the PS Click Power click streams. If they advertise this URL, it goes into a stream of traffic and you partake in that, meaning you get free traffic without doing anything extra. So put your squeeze pages in here, click submit, it'll go through and check them all like this. And it's just doing its thing, and these are your links. They're all ready to go. I have your 8 steps in here twice. I have a 4 corners, 2 squeeze pages for my 4 corners setup, and I have 2 squeeze pages hosted on my own domain that are for marketing mastery. I build multiple things at one time using my campaigns that are set up advertising my squeeze pages, because you only have to do one task then. That's how you multiply your efforts and you put people into systems like your 8 steps. So after you do that, what you want to do is go to edit my details. This is where you want to set up your details that will work in conjunction with all your pages of PS Click Power. The beautiful thing about PS Click Power is all the pages in your affiliate tools located right here build your email list and give you the power to 4x build your email list without any further effort on your part. Okay? So first off, you want to browse your computer, add your photo. It's just like anything out there to add your photo. Upload it. Photos should be a certain size. You want to make sure your name's in here. You want to definitely make sure your PayPal's in here. This thing pays commissions conversion is through the roof, and that's no exaggeration. I received so many payments yesterday. I think my last count was like 9 or 10 instant direct payments just yesterday. Now, receive new referral emails. I like to, so put yes, but make sure you put that PayPal email address in there. Now, here's another thing in the setup. Make sure you put an exit pop-up URL. That means if they're not, interested in one offer, the main offer of PS Click Power, what gets redirected, you want to make sure you have a squeeze page right here as well. So in your exit pop-up URL, make sure you put a squeeze page. This is going to help you build additional opt-ins, so make sure that is there. Then your About Me, you can put anything about yourself. This shows up on the founders pages, stuff like that, and I put a link to, again, info about me, but it's a squeeze page as well. Everything on there, people can opt into my list. So you can either write something about you. I just wrote a little blurb about making money. Then here, if you have a blog, put that in. If you have a special website URL you want to put in there, Facebook URL, Twitter URL, and Skype ID. And if you don't have any of those, don't worry about it. You don't have to put them in. The main thing is making sure you got squeeze pages in the exit pop-up URL, and in that PS Clickstream link up here that you put those 6 squeeze pages in there. Now, come down to here, and you got the autoresponder code set up. This is really easy. If you already have your campaign set up for your 8 steps, or campaign set up for anything, it is simple to do because I'm going to show you how quick and easy this is. We're going to go to GVO. I'm already logged in. Make sure you're logged in. Your screen may not look like mine. I am a Titanium member and I have multiple campaigns set up, so don't worry about what you see on my pages. I've been doing this for a long time and I've been a member of GVO for years. Now, how you want to get to your autoresponder, you should already know this, but if you don't because you haven't set up, go back to your 8 steps, start following the steps first, and get the rest of your system set up and join GVO under your sponsor. So now on the left-hand side here in your GVO back office, what you want to do is click on autoresponder. And when you click on autoresponder, that will bring you to the page that I was currently on. And my computer is slow today, so bear with me. And now we are on the autoresponder where you access your subscribers, your messages, your forms, everything like that. And basically, everything comes down to connecting squeeze pages to a campaign that you set up first, and then a form. The code that's in the form. That ties into your squeeze pages. And we made that completely simple for you to do. If you haven't set up your 8 steps campaign yet, in the steps is we give you a share code to create the campaign. We tell you how to set up the forms, what to put in the blanks. It's just copy and paste, follow along. But now that you have a campaign or you're experienced, you've already been in your 8 steps a while, and you're going to finish setting up your PS Click Power. Once you're on this screen here, what you want to do is make sure in this drop-down box you have your 8 steps campaign selected. I got multiple your 8 steps campaigns, and I'm going to choose one of them to show you in this example. You'll probably have your 8 steps in there. And we just want to make sure that that campaign is listed here. Now what we're going to do is click on Forms. You always want to make sure that in that drop-down menu you're working on the campaign that you want to be in. And a lot of you may just have your 8 steps in there. That's okay. When you get here, you can see I already have multiple forms. And some of you will have this multiple forms too because you've been following along in your 8 steps and putting in your form code and creating these forms, which is really easy to do, but we're going to do this for PS Click Power now. So on this page on the Forms tab, we're going to create a new form. So we click on Create a New Form. Okay, now on this page where we create the form, we're going to put the form name is PS Click Power so that we know that this form is for PS Click Power. We're going to put a custom URL. We're going to go back here to PS Click Power, and you see this highlighted in yellow link underneath this autoresponder code, this URL for your thank you page. This is extremely important. When people opt in to PS Click Power, they need to be redirected to finish the sign-up process under you. So you need to copy this, and it doesn't matter that it doesn't have any affiliate ID in it because all the pages that you would advertise are cookied and sessioned so that when they land on this by clicking on one of your pages after opting in, again, this is a landing page, it will be your affiliate link for them to sign up and finish the sign up process. So don't worry about that. Don't send me an email that it doesn't have any affiliate ID here. It doesn't need to. Rest assured, we've been advertising this thing and it works flawlessly. Okay, so copy this link, come up here into GVO, paste it in. You've checked custom URL in this box, paste it in here, paste it in here. Make sure you scroll over in each one of these boxes, make sure there's no space before the H. You put the whole link in there, HTTP, all of it. Uncheck double opt-in, and then all you do is click create. And we just take longer to let my computer load versus just setting this up. We are basically done in a second here as soon as my computer finishes loading. Okay, so now we got this listed in the forum code. See PS Click Power in the forums list, I mean? What you want to do is, I like to call them radio dials. Over here, this third radio dial looks like a piece of paper. When you hover over it, it usually says HTML. What you want to do is click on that third one. Pop-up box will pop up. You want to copy all of this code in here. Make sure you get these little arrows. The whole works in this box. Copy it. You don't want to leave out a closing tag, like I've seen people copy and they only copied like this and they left off an arrow. This is what's called a closing tag here. This is what's called an opening tag. You want to make sure that you have all the arrows. So click copy. Copy that, close this out. Go to PS Click Power. I already have mine in here, so what you would do is just put your mouse cursor in that box and click on paste and paste that in there. Okay? So then you have the code here, you click update and you update everything that's in here. I'm not going to do it because I already have all my information in here, but you click update, you can preview your autoresponder, and that's it. This thing is set up to 4x build your list. This is one of the biggest benefits of this thing, besides the instant commissions. I'll take all the instant commissions, believe me, and you will too. But the 4x list building is an extremely powerful way to build your list. We have received tons of opt-ins from no further effort than just advertising your affiliate links for this program, because every person that opt-ins to your PS Click Power campaign, because you have it set up correctly, because I just showed you how, what happens then is they become a possibility of them adding 4 more opt-ins to your list, because this is basically 4x builds your list from a one-time effort, meaning every potential opt-in that you get, they have to pass up an opt-in to you, actually 4 of them. So one opt-in potentially turns into a total of 5 because of the 4 that they pass up, and you get that same benefit. You don't pass up your referrals. You only pass up 4 first opt-ins, because you opt into this first, like you should with any system that is working and set up correctly for people to make money with. This is the correct setup, being able to advertise a program and have a squeeze page to advertise, or like this, where all of your affiliate tools in this thing, if you go to your affiliate tools and you click on any of your links, like even these splash pages, because they all lead to an opt-in form on your main page. So if I clicked on this, open it up in another tab, and somebody was interested in this, they click here to join now. The first step is always to opt into their sponsors list. And there's a video here I'm going to have to stop playing real quick. But this is the first step. And they opt in, then they're brought to that sign-up page where they finish the sign-up process and become your referral, because you set the landing page like I showed you. And that's how simple this thing is. The affiliate tools all help you build your list. You have the potential of you bring in 1 opt-in to turn that into 4, and everybody has that benefit. 4 more, so that's a potential of 5 opt-ins by your one-time effort of somebody looking at this and going, hey, I want to join this. This looks great. I'm going to follow you in doing this. And they start advertising. Their first 4 opt-ins are passed up to you, and then they get all the rest, and every person that they sponsor, or not sponsor, but have opt-in first, first four opt-ins are passed up to them. The benefit just keeps going. So if you sponsor or have 100 people who use PS Click Power, you have the potential to get 500 opt-ins from that. That is incredible. And this is a simple system made to make you instant commissions in your marketing. This is a great lead-in product to your marketing because they're one-time payments, they're extremely low, they entitle you to 100% instant commissions as long as you take those first two offers when presented, the $17 and the $23 one-time payment when you join this thing, and you set it up like I showed you. You can go and advertise this thing, any of your pages, and you're going to build your list. You're going to build other lists. You're going to get other traffic to your squeeze pages and build multiple programs at the same time and build multiple commissions because your other programs have commissions. You're going to build instant commissions from this. This is the perfect lead-in product to building any program. All you got to do is have a campaign for that program and set up an additional form that you then plug into PS Click Power like I showed you in my instructions. And I used my Your 8 Steps campaign in this example to show you because that's a campaign you have set up in Your 8 Steps already. So all you're doing is clicking this, creating this additional form, copying the code and pasting it in PS Click Power. It is that simple. If you haven't joined this thing yet, you really need to, and if you haven't gotten followed with the steps in Your 8 Steps, do that first. Join this thing, pay those two payments, get it out of the way, and you'll set this up in the process because this video I'll make available so that you can follow this at any given time. But get in this thing, get everything set up, follow Your 8 Steps training. What we teach you works. We do everything we teach you to do. And it works 100% of the time for the people that follow our instructions. The only thing that stops people from being successful online is they don't do enough of the right things long enough. They quit. They stop doing the things because they're not getting the instant results they want. Well, this thing's going to help you get some instant results in your marketing. So please follow along. Join PS Click Power in Your 8 Steps back office from your sponsor. It's in the recommended downline builder, recommended programs. You can get set up under your sponsor immediately in Your 8 Steps. Other than that, have a great day.